Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you that's using the LaColors Tropical Bloom collection, the eyeshadow palette that I hold, and the blush. And I think the look came out really pretty and girly. Really pretty for spring. We're using some other LaColors makeup items as well. NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer and the Be Pure Powder Under Eyes to catch fallout. And of course the LaColors eyeshadow palette, and away we go. And here's some swatches of that. Really pretty, shimmery pink, peach, matte pink, and brown. So first shade I'm taking is that pretty pink matte shade. It's almost a mauvey pink, it's like a dusty pink. And I'm going to apply that in the crease with a crease brush, and I'm just going to build that up over a few passes in the crease, and I'm using my orbital bone as a guide so it doesn't go too high. And I'm showing that there is fallout, the pan there. This is from the Balm, it's an eyeshadow stick, and I'm just applying this on the lid. I wanted something sticky, shimmery eyeshadow base for my eyeshadows to stick to, so I'm going to be taking the shimmery pink shade and applying that to the lid. And just the first portion, leaving the middle and the outer corner blank, if that makes sense. Because I'm going to add the other two shades in with this look as well. I want to just try to fit all the shades in to make a complete look. And then later I'll probably go back and do like an individual different kind of look. So next up I'm taking the peachy shade. And I'm taking these shades on a flat shader brush. And I'm just going to load my brush and apply that directly to the center of the lid. And because these are both shimmery shades and close in color family somewhat, they blend together really nicely. One is cooler and the other is warmer, but they still work out in the end to blend together really nice. Taking the matte brown in the palette, and I'm going to apply this in the outer corner to deepen that up. Really work on building that up little by little, because eyeshadow is like salt and pepper. Like when you're cooking, you want to go little by little and kind of taste it and see where you are before you ruin the entire dish. So we're going to do a little bit of blending. I've sped this part up quite a bit. And can we just talk about the nail polish for a minute? Isn't it stunning? Absolutely stunningly gorgeous nail polish. It's from ILNP and it's in fairy dust. It's so pretty. This is a NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin, and I'm using that to highlight with because there's no clear highlighter in the palette. I mean, you probably could use the shimmery pink, but I don't like an all shimmery brow highlight. I prefer matte. So I'm wiping away any fallout, and I'm going to be taking the pretty pink mauvey dusty shade on the lower lash line, and I'm using this from Sinful Colors, and it's in the shade Proud. I'm using that in the inner corner to highlight with, and it's very shimmery and beautiful, and I did get it from the DollarTree. This is from Eyoi Studio, their gel eyeliner in Seize the Day, and this eyeliner is a gel eyeliner from LaColors. I cannot remember the name, but it's really pretty. From Eyoi Studio Lash Adhesive and the Ioni 3D Mink Lashes. These are beautiful lashes. They're super easy to apply, and I like that they're not like too thick and too long, or too dramatic I should say. I think they're perfect for the spring. They're absolutely stunning. This is just an LaColors mascara that came out with a totally different collection way back when, like last year or something. This is a High Shine lip gloss from LaColors. I don't know the name or anything. This is the LaColors blush and Gazing from this Tropical Bloom collection. Very beautiful peachy coral shade. And there it is applied on the cheeks. I got carried away and went ahead and applied it. I wanted to apply it on camera, but that didn't happen. It's still a very beautiful, stunning blush for spring and summer. Here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial, found it helpful, and maybe try the look out for yourselves. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links, as well as that product list. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more LaColors videos.